Apparently, toilet paper's pretty big at the moment.
I did my first live stream the other day on Facebook.
This is my first live stream ever. Safety is our #1 priority. Do not try this at home. I'm a trained professional. Ladies and gentlemen, now for the main event. Let's get ready to rumble! Today, tacos. A bit of garlic and some mint. Little bit.
Coronavirus has hit us all pretty hard in the hospitality industry, so I have no work now. Gotta go Centrelink.
When it falls on you, your blood runs cold. But don't you sweat your pretty skin, 'cause it melts away for its sincere.
Beautiful taco. It's ready, baby. Woo. Some tomatoes. Some little cherry tomatoes there. Okay, here's our salsa. Beautiful color.
So yeah, it's been a pretty rough week. This is Milky, by the way.
Oh yeah, let's go. Little bit cheese, green stuff. If you could click a like, that would be awesome. Go home and make some tacos. And
Hopefully I'll do some more live streaming at home. And that's it. Cheers. Thanks.